All right, so once your site is done, you finish this page, just make sure you hit save. Then we're just going to click over here to go back to the dashboard. I don't really need to do anything else here, so this is fine. You can just minimize or close out of this. So I'm just going to minimize it for right now. So you'll see that it's live, right? See it says live. What we want to do is click on stop site. That will stop it. Good, so just do that first, give it a second. It might take some time depending on your computer and various other things. But now what we need you to do is submit it. So to submit it, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it and you're going to go to export. Actually, you know what? I think it might need to be live for that. I don't know why it has to be live for that. I forgot. All right, so that took a second. So now, right click, now you can export it, okay? So it's gonna ask, just leave that alone. It's gonna be a zip by default. So you're gonna hit export. I'm just gonna save right to the desktop and just leave the name. So it already has your last name and it's fine. You hit export. And then it will start to export a site and you're gonna see you're gonna end up with a zip folder right here. So it might take some time. Again, it depends on your computer and such. I'm just going to go ahead and pause the video again, and then when it's done, I'll show you. All right, so now you'll have a zip folder once it's done. I'm going to go ahead and stop site now for the second time. Okay, just make sure you hit stop site. Now, just for when we go into the next thing, when you do it next week, you should be able to just come in here. You're going to open up local again, so you can close local. You would open up local again. You go to your site. You just hit start site, and then you would open up with the admin or open up so you can just see the site. You're probably going to want to do this one anyway. But just be aware of that. Now, if for some reason you're working on your computer and then you need to go work on another computer, obviously you have to have local installed. But all you do is you can just take this, you just drop and drag it, and then it will begin to import the site. And then it's almost like how you set it up when you first initially created it. I'm going to exit out of that because I don't actually want to do that. But that's what I do. I just drag your zip folders in there, and then I look at what you have. Okay, so once that's complete, and this is stopped and everything, you just go ahead and hit close. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to submit this zipped folder, and yeah, and that's it. So just submit that onto Canvas, and you are good to go.